nonprofit animal shelter. Any of the stray animals, homeless animals, animals that just need to find a new home in Warren County, we're here to help any of them. We take in injured animals, sick animals, pretty much any animal that needs a hand, we're here. One of our big and super fun events of the year is actually in April. It's really cool, 5K, you get to see all the dogs that have been adopted from the shelter or some that will be available for adoption if you're looking. Just a good time for everybody that comes out. It's always one of my favorite events.